Thank you for viewing my virtual tour. Attached enclosed sunroom could have many functions in addition to access to the rear yard. It is currently used as an office. Roof and gutters are approximately 2 years old on this single-level, 3-bedroom, 2-full-bath home with a laundry room and a 2-car garage. The home is 1,830 square feet. New carpeting in master bedroom and living room plus new vinyl tiles in the entry. Enjoy hardwood flooring in the hallway, as well as 2 of the bedrooms. Newer vinyl in the bathrooms. Original classic kitchen awaits your creative updates. Whole house vacuum works and there are 3-wall air conditioners plus an evaporative cooler. Fully fenced front and rear yards with a shed. Easy commute anywhere in Tuolumne County or the Valley with easy access to Highway 108. Home is connected to public sewer and water. Conventional loan or cash will work best on this as is sale.